India, a land of ancient history, saw the rise of many kingdoms and republics. Between the 6th and 4th centuries BCE, 16 powerful states and kingdoms known as Mahajanapadas flourished in the Gangetic Plains. Among these powerful states was the Malla Republic, known for its unique governance system and association with two major religions of the Indian subcontinent, Buddhism and Jainism. The Malla Republic was not a single centralized kingdom. It was a confederation of 9 territories, each ruled by its own king. These kings came together to discuss important matters that affected the entire republic. This system of governance, where power was shared, makes the Malla Republic a fascinating subject of study for understanding ancient Indian political thought. The Malla Republic was located in present-day Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Its capital was Kushinagar, a city revered by Buddhists as the place where the Buddha attained parinirvana. The city was also a major center of trade and commerce, attracting merchants and travelers from far and wide. The most striking feature of the Malla Republic was its republican form of government. The governance was carried out by an assembly known as the. This assembly consisted of representatives from each of the 9 Malla territories. Decisions were made through discussions and voting, showcasing an early form of democracy. This system ensured that no single individual or territory held absolute power, promoting a sense of unity and cooperation. The Malla Republic holds a significant place in Buddhist history. It was in Kushinagar, the capital of the Mallas, where Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism, breathed his last and achieved parinirvana. The Buddha spent his last days preaching in the Malla Republic. He delivered his final sermon and ate his last meal, which was offered by a local blacksmith named Kunda. After the Buddha's death, the Mallas played a crucial role in the cremation ceremonies. The Buddha's ashes and relics were divided into 8 portions. These portions were claimed by different kingdoms and were enshrined in stupas. The Mallas of Kushinagar kept 1 portion for themselves. The distribution of the Buddha's relics highlights the respect he commanded across different kingdoms. Despite their initial resistance, the Mallas, like many other smaller kingdoms, were eventually absorbed into the powerful Magadha Empire. The rise of Magadha under ambitious rulers like Bimbisara and Ajatashatru led to the gradual decline of the Malla Republic. They lost their autonomy and became part of the expanding Magadhan Empire. Although the Malla Republic ceased to exist as an independent entity, its legacy lived on. The Mallas' association with the Buddha and their role in preserving his teachings contributed significantly to the spread of Buddhism. The Malla Republic, though short-lived, serves as a significant example of a republican system in ancient India. Their story reminds us that even in ancient times, people sought alternative forms of governance, striving for shared power and collective decision-making.